Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are fit and fine. I'm also doing fantastic today. And what's going on your speaking journey? You can comment in my videos. Okay, so today I am going to talk about my one uncle. Recently he took one good decision. Okay, so before going to talking about, I will talk something that everyone have some plan, some decision, because every day we have to take some decision. For example, every day we think that what we will cook today, so we think about it every day, and also we think about what we wear today, what kind of dress we will wear today. So we choose every day these kind of things. And also lots of students, after completing their HSC exam, they always think about what kind of university they will take admission, and what kind of coaching center he will be admitted for taking preparation for admission test for admission of university. So everyone have their some decision, okay, which is very also important. So let's begin. My uncle, um, my one son have, okay, his name is Kamal. He is student of class 8. So my uncle take decision that he will take his son in Dhaka, because he want to give him one situation which is very helpful for his study. Our Dhaka city is very beautiful, because there are lots of beautiful environment for our study, because um, their study their study rules is very awesome, is very good than village. So that's why most of the people want to come in Dhaka. So, and also my cousins, he also not very attentive in study. That's why my uncle try to come in here, but he is also doing job in Dhaka. So that's why it will be very possible for him to take care his son. Okay, so my aunt and uncle both are agree to come in Dhaka, to move to Dhaka, so which is very helpful for his sons, for his children, because every father, every parents wants um, very helpful their decision for his children, because every parents wants good things for his children. So they are also come to Dhaka recently, because he will take admission, he will make admission to his children in some one of the um, good institution which is very popular. I don't know right now. Okay, so it has been very good decision for him to moving in Dhaka. Okay, so and also after coming in Dhaka, last year he came already. Okay, so he have taken admission lots of curriculum activities, lots of extra curriculum activities. For example, scouts, which is also very good for their future. Okay, they can able to learn lots of things from scouting. Okay, so I told you that he is taken decision recently, but it is also 1 years ago. Okay, so I talk about it because of my practice speaking. Okay, it is also very important, practice speaking. What kind of thing, what kind of topic you will choose, no matter, but just you have to talk, you have to tell. Okay, without telling, without saying, you cannot be able to fluent speaker. Okay, just practicing, just blinding your goal, what kind of goal you want to make. So that's all for me today, no more today. Okay, I will come again in front of you to practice speaking with another new topic. Okay, so if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Till then, goodbye.